Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best budget mechanical keyboards. Starting at number 5. Redragon K556 RGB. The Redragon K556 is an entry-level mechanical keyboard that combines full RGB lighting and a smooth and tactile typing experience at an affordable price. They use a custom-made analog to Cherry MX Brown switches, which have a slight tactile bump right before their actuation point. This unique feature allows you to register keystrokes without fully bottoming out your keys. They are well suited for gaming and typing alike. But the RGB lighting is a dead giveaway that this keyboard is marketed towards PC gamers. Unfortunately, Redragon's in-house switches fall short in one aspect. The Redragon K556 has a number of preset lighting patterns and easy hotkeys to adjust the brightness on the fly. You can also use the free Redragon software to record macro commands and customize the LED switch by switch to color code your most used hotkeys. Though these features are limited in application, the K556 itself delivers a surprisingly solid typing experience for a cheap mechanical keyboard. Coming at number 4. Logitech K845 Mechanical. While Logitech offers plenty of over-the-top gaming keyboards in their G line of products, there is something innately charming about the simplicity of the Logitech K845. This humbly designed 104-key keyboard delivers a solid typing experience with minimal distractions. And when you are shopping on a budget, it pays to stay focused on performance. As for the performance factor, the K845 gives you a few options. This keyboard comes with linear red, clicky blue, or tactile brown TTC switches, so you can choose the best switch for your needs. You can also spend a little more to get a K845 with Cherry MX switches if you have a preference for the name brand. The keycaps themselves are made with ABS and feel a little thin, but this is to be expected at this price point. And while I am being critical, I would have loved to see even a basic wrist rest packaged with the keyboard. But considering how much money you are saving choosing the Logitech K845 over, say, their fully loaded Logitech G915, it shouldn't be a problem for you to buy a separate wrist rest. You can also put some of that leftover cash towards a new MMO gaming mouse. At number 3. Havit Mechanical Keyboard. The Havit Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a great deal for new PC builders. Not only do you get a solid mechanical keyboard, but it also comes bundled with a 7-button gaming mouse. Havit also offers a slightly pricier bundle with a wired headset in addition to the keyboard and mouse, while still keeping you under budget. But for comparison's sake, we'll try to focus on just the keyboard itself. The Havit Mechanical Keyboard is a full-size keyboard with G-Shin blue switches. The Havit keyboard also includes a detachable wrist rest to further sweeten the pot. All in all, this keyboard delivers an impressive value in its price range. Number 2 of my list. Ducky 1 PBT LED Keyboard. Ducky is one of the most popular mechanical keyboard brands around, as their classic Ducky 1 PBT is still one of the only keyboards to offer PBT keycaps for under $100. In fact, this is where the slightly higher price of this 87-key keyboard comes from, as PBT keycaps are significantly more durable than the ABS plastic you get with other keyboards in this price range. They also provide a nice stippled texture on the keycaps. For a more in-depth comparison, check out this article from Switch and Click. It is a bizarre choice, but the backlighting is easy to live without if you are good at touch typing. Also note that there are no multimedia shortcuts built into the board. And number 1. Beastron RGB LED. The Beastron Sapphire Mechanical Keyboard offers a compact 104-key mech keyboard for an almost unbeatable price, but it doesn't have the same level of customization you may have come to expect from top brands. Though this board looks like it has fully custom RGB LEDs, it is actually what's called a rainbow board, which is permanently set to display this same striped color configuration. It still has 8 preset lighting effects, but they are all different variations on pulsating brightness, rather than actual color-changing switches. But just because they aren't fully customizable doesn't make these LEDs any less effective at actually illuminating the key legends. There are several versions of this keyboard, and some of the pricier ones have a number pad. While this one does not, it does have built-in media shortcuts. It also has the ever-handy Windows lock key, which helps prevent interruptions while gaming. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.